Yo, what up everybody? So today we're going to be putting on some core grip side grip tape. It's kind of like that rubbery kind of grip material. It's not even actual sandpaper. It's kind of like what you would put around a pistol grip. But we're going to be installing it on one side today. I'm probably not going to do the other side on camera just because you get the point. Literally the same on the other side. So yeah, we'll get started. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of brake clean the frame rail real quick, just so we got a nice good stick on it. I mean, you could use acetone or something like that if you wanted to. I don't know. I think brake clean was the only thing I had, so I said let's roll with it. There's that. Bike just got washed right now too, simple green. Just did a full wash on it too as well. So what I'm probably gonna do is pull these out of the package. I might go heat them up with a hair dryer or something. Kind of let them get a little adhesive warm on it. Let's pull these open, see what we got. So first thing, come with a sticker. Not bad. And that is coregrip.com. This is not a sponsored video. You can go on their website, see everything they have, whatnot. There's another card right here telling you how to do everything. Remove existing grip tape. Use adhesive remover to remove grip tape. Clean frame with degreaser and/or soap and water to remove grease from frame. Heat for best application. Apply grip in warm environment. Use heat gun to slightly warm up your frame. Which we don't have a heat gun. My bike's been sitting out in the sun, so that's probably what we're gonna just let them. I'll probably warm these up a little bit. So let's see. Does that one go here? That looks like the one for this side. It looks pretty epic, huh? Yeah, that's gonna look nice. There's that side. Let's see what else we got here. And this is that one. I don't think it matters which side. Yeah, it does actually. This is for the right leg side. That's for the left leg side. Yeah, let's roll with that. So what I went and did right now is I went in the garage and just heated this up with the hairdryer. I just heated this backing side up to where it was kind of warm. Let's get a general idea of where we're gonna put this, huh? That's in the dirt now. Can't go up that far because then it doesn't align here and doesn't look clean. And then there's, I don't know if you can see this on camera, but there's an edge right here that I'm gonna try to follow. And then right here, I think we're gonna send it. So what I'm gonna start doing is peeling the backing off. Peeled the whole backing off. Trying not to touch the adhesive. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna line this up first. Let me get this rag out of the way. Ooh, it's already wanting to stick. Ooh, it's really sticky stuff. It's like fly trap, bro. I mean, I'm not gonna get it perfect. That's about perfect right there. We're gonna lay this down here. That looks about right. It looks good on cams. Beautiful. One done. I'm just gonna kind of finesse this on there. Look at that. Not bad. Now let's put the top one on. Just peel this off. Got a little bit of dirt on it. See, get this adhesive off of here. This will be a more easier grip to put on, eh? Let's see what it looks like up top. What do y'all think? Yeah? Okay, good. Let's go on there. Oh, it feels really nice too. There we go. Not only does that look nice, it feels nice as well.